This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use a USB pen drive on your Android phone. So to connect this we want to use an adapter, USB-C to USB. This is only like $2 or $3 on Amazon, and we can connect it to the bottom of our phone where it charges. Now when you have this connected, it might light up. Mine is lighting up, but we want to go to the bottom of the phone and swipe up and go to Files. So let's go to Files right now and just type this in. Now on your Samsung phone you'll have My Files. On your regular phone you'll just have Files. So I'm going to go to My Files since I have a Samsung phone. And then I can scroll on down under here. And I can see my USB storage devices on here. Now we can go to Format and delete everything off it. We can create a new folder. Now to transfer documents or photos or videos to it, we can just go to that category, hold down on it, and we can go to all, or we can just go to one and we can go to copy. And we can go to your USB storage, locate the folder, and then go to copy here. And it's that easy. So just go through all your different documents and transfer them over, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.